What's up, guys? Sean from Srkcycles. We're doing a 2014 Can-Am rain review. I'm pumped about. My butt's gonna get all wet. Yeah. All right, solving that problem. Solved. I'm super pumped about this. One, we get to see how good that windshield is. Like I said, this is a 2014 Can-Am. It says the new 1330 motor in it. And these things are fun. They're way faster. They're way faster than the 990. And something I noticed about these is they have a little bit more, a couple of seconds before the traction control actually starts to kick in. So if you wanted to, you could get it a little sideways. Haha. Haha. See that traction control kicking in? For some reason, all the rain is coming off the windshield, coming down and hitting me in the face. Amazing. Hitting me in the eyeball. I put down my own windshield. Somehow it went past my... No, I guess it didn't go past my sun visor. Okay, let's just be honest. The windshield's a good windshield. In terms of rain, I'm not sure if it's a good rain shield. Multiple rain droplets definitely hit me in the eyeball. The cool thing about this thing, it's so teched out with all these gizmos and gadgets that it makes it just easy to drive. Even though I'm trying to get it sideways, and I can get it a little sideways, it's probably never going to spin out on you. Oh, I got cruise on. Turn that off. It's probably not just, it's not just going to spin out on you. It's going to kick in. It's going to stop you from doing it. Let me adjust that windshield. Maybe I can make it. Okay, that makes it worse. I mean, I'm sure it's blocking some, but some of these raindrops, they're just coming up, dropping down, and then bam, hitting me in, like, directly in the eyeball. Hopefully the GoPro is staying nice and clear. I mean, this thing feels way more planted than a motorcycle would on the road, unless you're running like rain tires. This thing is very stable. Another thing about the 2014 compared to the previous generation with the smaller 990 Rotex motor, it's way smoother. I mean, it's real smooth. It's like a car smooth. I mean, it really is. The other one had a little bit of a, you know, like rub, like you almost wondered how many cylinders is it really. It almost kind of felt like a single, a giant single. The new ones also have the 6-speed. This is a 6-speed automatic, and you shift up manually with the push of your thumb, and then you can manually shift down, but it'll automatically shift down itself, and it kind of revs up the engine while it does it. It's pretty cool. There's a parking lot up here. We'll get into it and practice, see how it brakes in the rain, and you know, just get a feel of what it's gonna do. I'm kind of interested to see how advanced it really is. Heavy braking right now. Wow, man, that's good. Watch this, heavy braking right now. I mean, stuff's definitely happening in there. Watch when you try to do like heavy, try to turn it fast. It starts doing things, you know, wheels start to brake, and it doesn't want you to do that. Oh. To tell you the truth, I'm not getting very wet when I'm actually moving. This does have some extra wind louvers, or whatever you want to call them. It does take a second or two before the traction does kick in, which I like that. I don't want it to kick in right away. I want to have a little bit of control of what's going on. Because as far as I know, you can't turn the traction control off. So at least let me do something. Man, it's beautiful outside. I love these rainy days. There's some heavy braking. We'll do some more heavy braking up here. We'll see if I can lock the tires up. That'd be kind of cool. It tracks very straight when you do heavy braking like this. I mean, it's controlling all 3 tires. It's doing its own little thing, and it's optimizing the braking power for it. You see that thunder? Did you see it? It was over there. No, I mean not thunder, lightning. Man, that was cool. Yeah, I could be, if I was on the highway and I was just wearing like not even rain gear, I would want a full face helmet for sure. Because when those rain pellets hit you in the face, man, that hurts. And the eyeball, it's horrible. But other than that, you might be able